Hi everyone, I hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Harmony One. The ticker's One versus USDT. Okay, I just want to say thank you for your continued support across CoinsKid here. Thank you for helping it grow into what it is, and obviously your Patreon ship as well. And just getting involved in the videos. Sharing is caring, and likes, comments, the Twitter, everything. Big thumbs up to each and every one of you. And I'll always tell you what I see. Okay, I won't feed you no spiel. And obviously, you know, sometimes I'm a bit of a moon boy, and I'm being a bit of a moon boy here for Harmony One, and blow it. I'm gonna lay down a future price prediction right here, right now for Harmony One of $1.83, and the reason is because it's a 2.272 extension right here that I have seen other cryptos get to in previous bull markets. I don't want to go through all the rigmarole showing you what those are, but Bitcoin was one of those, Litecoin, XRP was one of those, numerous other projects as well was one of those in the previous bull run. Now, a lot of people are saying that the bull run's over. Okay, if it is, it is. Personally, I don't think it is, and this is why I'm laying down this price prediction right here. We've gone overextended. We've hit the 1618. Okay, you can see that in this extension, this Fibonacci retracement, a very powerful tool. You can see we've hit the 1618 to a T, to the absolute dollar, and roll back. Okay, when we've rolled back, we've held support. We lost support originally of the 1414 extension right there. Do you see that at 11 cents? Then we fell back, but we've found support not only on the 55 EMA, we've also found support on the 20 EMA, which is really, really good. We're above it at the moment on the weekly time frame, and we've also found support on the 1272 extension right here. So it's looking good. You're holding support for continuation. Obviously, I'm going to make you fully aware that if you do start to lose the EMAs, the 20, then the 55, then you are entering a bear market. But at the moment, there's no signs of that. We've just gone through a correction which was needed. The market was completely overbought in this two-part bull run that we find ourselves in for crypto. So onwards and upwards after this level of consolidation and this ABC correction that Harmony One has gone through right here, because I was anticipating this. This is Elliott wave theory as well. Okay, you got the wave 1, the wave 2 pullback, the wave 3, the really extended wave right there, and you've gone through the ABC correction right there. And I was fully making you aware of this a few weeks ago, the ABC correction right there. Providing we don't lose this low right now, we're looking good for continuation. Okay, so right now, if one can continue to stay above the 20 weekly EMA, there's no further corrections, we are looking at a level of consolidation before we get the hell out of here, marching onwards and upwards to that 2.272 extension there in this bull run for Harmony One. Now, I've already done the tokenomics and calculations. By my book, roughly, if Harmony One gets to that sort of price prediction right there, it puts it around about $16 to $17 billion market cap right there for Harmony One. So personally, given the price prediction of the total market cap, I think that's an actual drop in the ocean, to be fair, given the prediction of the total market cap of crypto that CoinsKid is laying down in the future. And you know, it might not be this year, but soon, relatively, in the continuation of this bull run, we do anticipate that Harmony One get into that price prediction right up there. But again, we've not got a crystal ball and we can't see into the future, but so far so good. I'm not going to lie to you. I know this correction's awful and people think everything's going to zero, but from here right now, that's an extra 1,628% price appreciation, and that puts it around about $16 billion market cap for one. And you know what a great project it is. I don't even need to divulge that to you anyway, but hopefully now we've created the ABC structure, we've carried out a correction, we've done the wave 4, now we're beginning to break out in this wave 5. Providing there's no further breakdowns and no corrections, and we don't come down and make a lower low than this right now, then you're looking this is it. This is where we're going to break out, and this is where we're going to start the next stage of this bull run right here. Okay, for one and all crypto. So I'm being mega bullish. Why not be mega bullish? Okay, I was bearish up here. You know I was bearish up here and everyone hated me for it. But right now, we've had a correction, we've come down, we've reset some levels, and I'm turning bullish again. Because it's the way it goes, I'm afraid. I see things. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to come to fruition. It's just up here, I knew we was overextended. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that we're overextended. We're going to have a deep wave pullback. We've had that. We've had that wave 4 pullback. This is painting a beautiful ABC structure right here. Look at this. A, B, C structure down there. Okay, providing we don't get any more lows, and providing that we don't get a lower low than this, and we continue now to adhere to support, we're looking at continuation. But obviously, you know, I've not got a crystal ball. This C wave could actually run deeper, okay, and it could be a continuation trend down until we do bottom out. But I do believe, given that, even though we was to come down and hit ahead and create a deeper C wave, we would still be on the path to that sort of Elliott wave 5 right there for Harmony 1 in this bull run. So right now what I'm going to do is jump in on the daily time frame to show a future price prediction based off this impulsive wave that we seem to be forming right now for 1. Okay, so looking at 1, then you can see this is a top. This is a daily time frame. Okay, this is a top, and hopefully if we have no more corrections and we consolidate or we go sideways or something like that, or we don't break down anymore and we have bottomed out here for 1, which hopefully I anticipate we have. Okay, we're getting a nice pickup, we're painting a beautiful ABC correction pattern, we're holding support. Providing we continue to do that, we have got a little price prediction right here. It won't happen overnight, but it's the structure that it's creating. Okay, you could actually see 1 creep on from here and go towards 58 cents in this bull run. Obviously it's not going to get there overnight, as I've just outlined to you, but providing we can hold support, you are looking at that appreciation for 1. And right there from here right now, it is currently a whopping 443% in this bull run continuation for 1 right there. And right here, when we create the bearish cross just here, because that's what we've got, the bearish cross just there on the daily time frame. Okay, got overextended, rolling back to support, holding it relatively well, and just here, bearish cross, rolling back to support, holding it relatively well. We did run a little bit deeper here. Okay, so given that, what we're going to do is lay down the fib just there, and you can see if we go from that bottom, so that was the bottom on that dip just there, you can see to the top, ignore that big scam wick just there, you can see that if we'd have been at the back in August, okay, when we got that death cross just there towards August, when we started to roll over, got the death cross in September and we bottomed out. Okay, and there when we formed the bullish cross just there, that's where you can lay down your fib. Okay, that time's not come yet, we've not got the bullish cross, but I'm just sort of pre-laying it down. When we get the bullish cross, that's where we get confirmation that you're entering that uptrend. You're starting to backtest and hold, because at the minute you can see this is exactly what's going on. You rolled over, you created a death cross, you rolled over, you created a death cross, you've had a deep correction. Now if you continue to go sideways, over time you're going to start consolidating, picking back up, getting back through the EMAs, back to support and creating a bullish cross, a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, because you can see at that moment there, after that rollover last year in August where we had that consolidation event, held support, back tested, held it really well, formed a bullish cross. You can see, we'll lay down the fibs and you can see it exactly met our target. Okay, hit its head on the target before coming back and having a correction. Now right now you can see effectively, if we continue to hold this is the bottom. That's what I'm saying, it's a precursor to this bottom. Now if we can not create a bottom lower than that, and then go along and get the bullish cross, and this is where you could actually wait for confirmation. If you don't want to jump into this trade right now, wait for confirmation of the bullish cross, just like you would have down here. Okay, after this long drawn out rollover, looks bad, look like you're going to zero, consolidation, you know, crabbing along for a while before we get the next leg up in the bull run, which is what we're anticipating here on the channel. Get the bullish cross. See you later, alligator. I'm buying and going to the beach. This could be the best entry for 1 when it forms that bullish cross. Confirmation that you've entered that trend again. You're back above the EMAs and you're looking for that extension right there and continuation up to 0.58. And like I've just shown you from this point right now, okay, is a whopping 459% trade. And right here, okay, so we rolled over and we waited for the bullish cross. We got the bullish cross. So from there, at that moment when you got the bullish cross up to that particular trade was 591%. So even waiting for that was very fruitful. So again, you know, if you don't want to jump into the trade, or you're sitting on the wings and waiting for 1, then do anticipate the bullish cross coming, because that'll be confirmation that you've entered that uptrend again. You're back testing support and you're going to march on, okay, and obviously to the 0.58 and then further extensions up there in the bull run, like we did here when we got completely overextended. You know, this is just a rinse repeat of what's going on here. Rolled over, consolidation, rolled over, consolidation, wait for the signal, buy and go to the beach signal, boom, see you later, alligator. You're looking at $1.80 Harmony 1 token right there. So yeah, it's just a little update on 1. We're going through a rinse repeat pattern of what we've gone through, to be honest with you. And I think that from that bullish cross right there, obviously as you start to creep on and create these cycles, okay, and these waves, because this is what it is, it's just waveforms like this. Look, you've got your swing high to swing low like that, and then you've gone up again, and then you're doing this, you know, and eventually you can see how you'll get there in this waveforms like this. Do you see this? Waveforms. It's not going to go like this overnight. Don't anticipate that or expect that. These things take time. Beautiful waveforms. If in doubt, zoom out. So that's basically a little bit of theory price prediction. And again, it's all theory, and it's nothing we say is financial advice. Nothing we say is set in stone, and nothing we say will actually be 100% right. But if we'd have been here, if you'd have been in this channel, I had this channel last year, and we rolled over here, and I'm laying down this particular price prediction here, and you're scratching your head thinking no, then do think about what I'm doing right here, okay? Because patterns repeat themselves, and they work in cycles, okay? Not financial advice. Take care, everybody. Have a really good day, and hopefully we get some pickup. The market turns green. We get some more confidence back in the market, and we're full bull mode now into the second part of the bull run here for crypto. Once again, thank you for continued support. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay tuned. I'll be back soon with another update. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.